It's all part of the gig.
Yep.
Hey guys, we are here today to finally install the stainless steel brake lines from 034 Motorsport, and I've got my friend Noah here with me because breaking stuff and making mistakes is always better with other people.
I'm just the scapegoat.
Pretty much. He figured it out really quick, a lot quicker than I was anticipating. Well, it's unfortunate, but we're gonna get in, we're gonna replace these rubber brake hoses, replace them with these stainless steel ones, thanks to the bunny ears, bro. And then we're gonna take the car back out and actually test to see if we have improved our stopping distances over the rubber hoses. So, are you ready?
No, but yes.
That is confusing.
Yes.
Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, let's get to it. All right, let's get in there. Nope, I need the 11. We are gonna go for the brake line back here. Come on.
You almost fit in there.
I know, right? Look at me, I'm so small. All right. There's that back here. I don't mind if it gets on the ground. It is what it is. It is what it is.
Not the exact purpose of a garage floor.
Right. All right, let's get this flathead.
Well, you just went up on that clip?
Yeah, kinda. Yep, that's all it is. Aha, ta-da! I think this already broke free when trying to find the right size, so. It's just this back here, which is being a butt. But then we should just be there. Wow.
Murky.
Look at that. We're replacing all that, so that's good. I know it's gonna get kind of messy in here, and that's okay. We're not perfectly clean. My hands are like straight up brake fluidy.
Dang. This clip does not want to go.
This is already 800 times easier than anything else I've done on this car. If that's the hardest thing that we deal with.
Is a clip?
If that's the hardest thing, I'm happy.
Why would they put the clip facing this? How are you supposed to get it?
Right.
Engineering at its finest. I can't even twist. Oh, something happened. Oh. Come on, just come out.
You want pliers?
You think that would help?
If you got to move a little bit, maybe you could grab it and pull.
Where is it? Look at this.
Love it.
We love German engineering.
So good. Well, that's out now.
Dang.
Yeah, I definitely want to hold it there just like that. All right, but look. This brake line
It's out, guys.
is out. Ta-da! Look at that. Well, that's one. I think it just goes in.
It's slide down. No?
Yeah,
Okay.
it goes in like that way, I think. And that one. Oh, there it is.
Magical. These clips.
I know, right? Can you grab, there's a rubber mallet over there.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
I might have you do that since I'm left-handed. You might be able to get in with your right hand a little bit better.
I am right-handed. How'd you know?
I just guessed.
Or is it because you're abnormal?
I might be abnormal. Right.
Is it straight? I don't want to jam it in there. See?
I know. It's like seeing if we can get it in there.
Okay. Head in, everything in. Full send it, dude.
Does it seem like it's working?
No. Almost got it. No, it just pops back. Oh, got it. Look at that.
Sweet. Be sure that's, I don't want to strip it.
Keep her going.
Alright, there's that. It's already dripping. Love it. What's, oopsies. That's good. That's a good
It didn't
thing.
spill.
And then the question becomes upside down. What is lefty loosey righty tighty? I'm so good at this. I figured it
yeah,
out.
you're going the right way.
I figured it out, but it's one of those like, lovely stuff. Okay. Do you want to grab the screwdriver? And then this clip. So on the front, we got it figured out. And we're gonna test it to make sure it's all good. They don't actually go, the bolts don't actually go all the way down on the top end. So we got it situated, but that was something we had to figure out.
Gotta do the twist.
Can you give me a smaller flathead? If I can come from the top, I think I can get it.
There's a really, really thin one.
That's fine. You can replace them very easily. It's just, I need to get in there.
R.I.P. your knuckles in 3.
Right?
Oh.
Came off, don't know where it went. There it is. All right.
Vanished into the abyss.
Right. That's that one out. You want to hand me the new line, one of the short ones?
I'm opening the pack.
There it is. Gotta spin it and then. All right, tighten this.
Washer bolt.
2 washers. Yep, perfect.
You're starting to look like the Blue Man Group.
That's who I wanted to be as a kid. I'm just kidding, I don't know what I wanted to be as a kid. I don't remember my childhood. And then this, I think we can.
We're experienced now.
Right? Can I have the.
The what? Oh, mallet? Oh.
I don't know if the mallet will fit in there. Push myself backwards. Wait, if I can. Got it. Pushed it back with this.
Nice.
Okay.
Innovation.
Right? Innovation that excites. Is it like Lexus or something?
Lexus or Toyota?
I think Toyota is let's go places.
Oh. Yeah, I think that is. Let's go places.
I think we can do the same trick as before. We just need to know we don't need to go all the way in, you know?
Scary.
I might just send that. What do you think? It's not as far down, but they also don't look like they go as far deep.
I think it's the same.
That's the rears.
Look at that. Just put your butt in my face.
I did. You're welcome. Now we just got to do the other side, so let's get to it. Oh yeah, bro. All right, the brake lines are installed, the system has been bled, and if you want to check out any more videos on these stainless steel brake lines, you can find them on my YouTube channel. We've got the butt dyno report video where we tell you how they feel in everyday driving, but we've also got a stainless steel versus rubber brake hoses video with stops from 40 miles an hour to 0 with actual numbers. Finally getting some numbers in here. I did a stainless steel brake line video a while ago where I didn't take into consideration the weather in stopping distances. So we've rectified that this time, so it's a much better video, I think at least. But I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this install video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, have a great day, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.